TCL Q75H Soundbar Review and Setup Guide. Best mid-range soundbar for home. In this video, I'm going to review the TCL Q75H Soundbar, show you how to set it up correctly, and help you decide whether it's one of the best mid-range soundbars for your home theater. The TCL Q75H is a 512-channel soundbar system designed to deliver a more immersive experience than standard TV speakers. It features 11 individual speaker units, 2 up-firing drivers, a wireless 6.5-inch subwoofer, and up to 620 watts of claimed peak system power. Most importantly, it supports both Dolby Atmos and DTS for three-dimensional surround sound. Setting it up is straightforward. Start by positioning the soundbar directly below your TV with the up-firing speakers unobstructed. Place the wireless subwoofer on the floor, preferably near the front of your room, while leaving enough space around it for proper bass performance. Next, connect the soundbar to your TV using HDMI EARC. This is the connection I recommend because it supports high-quality audio formats and makes controlling the system with your TV much easier. The Q75H also provides an HDMI input, optical connectivity, USB playback, and Bluetooth 5.1. Once everything is connected, power on your TV, soundbar, and subwoofer. Select the HDMI EARC audio output in your television settings. If you're using compatible Dolby Atmos content, also make sure your TV's digital audio output settings allow Atmos or pass-through rather than converting everything to basic stereo. One of the Q75H's most interesting features is Ray Dance technology, which uses side-firing speakers to create a wider soundscape. The 2 dedicated up-firing drivers are particularly important because they help reproduce the height effects found in Dolby Atmos soundtracks. You also get several sound modes, including movie, music, voice, sports, game, and standard. For movies, start with movie mode, while voice mode can be useful when dialogue needs extra clarity. Another feature worth using is AI sonic adaptation. Through the TCL Home app, the system can calibrate its sound based on your room and listening position. That can help compensate for differences in room size, furniture placement, and where you normally sit. For gaming, the Q75H is surprisingly capable. Its HDMI connectivity supports features including 4K HDR and Dolby Vision pass-through, along with VRR and ALLM support for compatible equipment. Here's a pro tip: don't immediately turn the subwoofer and every sound adjustment to maximum. Run the room calibration first, then play familiar movie or music content and gradually adjust bass and other settings. A balanced setup usually sounds much better than simply maximizing everything. So is the TCL Q75H worth buying? If you want Dolby Atmos and DTS, genuine up-firing drivers, powerful bass, HDMI EARC, room calibration, and a wide soundstage without jumping into flagship soundbar pricing, it offers a very compelling feature set. However, remember that this is a 512 system without dedicated wireless rear speakers. So buyers wanting stronger sound, effects physically coming from behind them should consider a system that includes separate surrounds. Overall, the TCL Q75H is a strong mid-range home theater upgrade, particularly if you can find it at a competitive price. If you found this review and setup guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which soundbar you want me to review next.